Oh, I am recording. All right. There's your thumbnail.
What's up, YouTubers? Luis here. It's Saturday, October 9th. I haven't posted anything really in the last week and a half or 2 weeks in regards to the heavy we're restoring. But I got Nate coming today, and we're gonna get some good footage for you. And pretty much on today's agenda is we've decided we're gonna paint the truck before we put the body back on, just because it makes things a lot more accessible. And we don't have the body's a little filthy, so we don't have the contaminants coming off the body getting into the paint of the cab. So today's agenda is going to be to pull off the sleeper, and the reason why I'm pulling off the sleeper was, if you can see those stripes there, the black and white stripes there, they didn't really do a good job at painting those, so they actually have a lip to them, and it actually goes behind the sleeper and behind the cab, and I just don't want to see that transition or that lip when I paint over it, because we're utilizing black, and the problem with black is black shows a lot of imperfections. So I'm going to end up pulling the cab off today, the sleeper, excuse me, and we're going to work on the sleeper, and we're going to sand it down, we're going to DA it, we're going to hit it with a primer, and I'm hoping tomorrow to actually start to be able to shoot some color on the sleeper and on the toolboxes. In case you're wondering what we're going with, like I said, we're going with black, but we're not going with straight black. I am actually going with a UH color code, which is Ford's color code for tuxedo black, so it's got metallic in it. And I'm going with the metallic because metallic flakes tend to hide a little bit of stuff, and I wanted to be a little bit different, and I love black. All my trucks are black, so I wanted to keep the black theme. So we're going with a UH color code, and I was on the fence about doing a base coat, clear coat, but the paint guy that I'm dealing with now, who's been fantastic, actually sold me on a single stage. So we're going to be shooting this with a higher end single stage. Actually, my buddy Nate's picked it up. He's going to be arriving with it. And the salesman that I dealt with speculating that this truck's going to take about 3 gallons to paint everything. So we'll see if he's on the money, but I'm pretty excited. I'm a little tired of doing the hard mechanical stuff, so I'm a little excited to be sanding stuff down and painting. So as far as an ETA being done, I think that I am about 2 to 4 weeks out. So I'm hoping by maybe the middle of the week getting the rest of the cab painted, and maybe towards the end of the week getting it all put back together, and maybe the body being mounted on the weekend. So we'll see. It's hard to kind of plan because I got no employees and I'm still doing a lot of towing. So we'll see. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I think it's going to be one of the better videos we film. All right, hit like and subscribe.